How to download and install RAID controller driver for Windows 11. So if you want to download and install the RAID controller driver on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open it up, you just need to simply go with this search, which is intel.com/www/us/en/download-center/home.html. Once you search for it, you'll get this download drivers and softwares page. You just need to simply go with the search drivers, and under search drivers, you just need to simply search for the driver, which is RAID controller, and hit the enter. And here you can simply have the drivers. You can simply click on the driver and then you can install it, or you can also go with the next page, which is https://www.amd.com/en/support and hit the enter. Now here you will have the drivers. You just need to simply scroll down, now search for your driver or browse for your drivers, and you'll be able to install it from here. Or you can also go with the next solution, which is you can just right click on your Windows, go with device manager. Once you're under the device manager, now here you will have storage controllers, enlarge it, and then go with the Intel first, which is RAID controller. Right click on it, go with the update driver, go with search automatically for drivers, and it will install the best drivers for your device. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.